is the host name for mail server, and mail server is hosted on the same machine which has IP address 192.168.100.4. Now DNS server ns.extranetworld.com, and real name is extranetworld.com. So another ns.extranetworld.com is another name for extranetworld.com, which will be used as a name to show DNS server. Now ftp.extranetworld.com is also another alias for extranetworld.com. Create. And one more, www.extranetworld.com is another alias for extranetworld.com. Create. So I have created 4 aliases: mail.extranetworld.com for mail server, ns.extranetworld.com which is the name for DNS server, ftp.extranetworld.com that is for FTP server for hosting and sharing files, and www.extranetworld.com that is for web server. www is for web server. Now move into the name server and add DNS server for domain extranetworld.com. So DNS server is ns.extranetworld.com. Zone name is extranetworld.com, and we already have added DNS server. If you have secondary DNS server, you can add that too. Let us add mail server. Name of zone is extranetworld.com. You can see here, this is the name of the zone, and the mail server for this zone is mail.extranetworld.com. So we have added all the records for mail server, for DNS server, and for web server. Now we need to apply configuration. Stop bind server or DNS server, and then start the DNS server. Now move to networking, network configuration. Check your gateway. Check your IP address for your machine. Your host name, and DNS servers. So in network configuration, move to hostname and DNS client and add 192.168.100.4 into DNS servers, because now for your web server the DNS server is the same machine on which web server is hosted, on which mail server is hosted, on which this. So you need to add your same machine IP address here to publish your DNS server. I have used my LAN IP address. You can use your public IP address that is being provided to you by your internet service provider, the static IP address. To find out the static IP address or dynamic IP address provided to you by your ISP, type what is my IP on Google. On Google you will get a link. Click on this link, you will get your public IP address. You can use your public IP address in all these settings instead of this LAN IP address, and forward your ports in your modem, like type 192.168.100.1 or it can be 1.1. Your modems or your firewalls, your gateway device, GUI interface, and you can do port forwarding on this device to open ports for web server, that is port number 80, to open ports for DNS server, that is port number 53, and to open port for your MySQL server, that is 3306. On this router you can forward all the ports on your router to make your server live for the world. So enter your default username and password and you can change your router settings. Save the settings. Now this was the configuration for DNS server. If you have any doubts, you can mail me at webmaster@extranetworld.com. That's my website. Or you can mail me at puneet6565@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching this video.